Hello friends, welcome to E-INNOVATE class. Today we are working on a non-Newtonian fluid called oobleck, a very interesting concept. Let me introduce you to what are non-Newtonian fluids. So there are certain fluids when you apply shear or when you apply pressure, it changes the state of matter. So if it's liquid and if you apply pressure, it will turn into a solid. So oobleck is one such fluid, and for that you require cornstarch, you require water, and you require some color if you wish to. If you want the oobleck to have a color, it is an interesting additive. So we've taken cornstarch and water in 2:1 ratio, as in if 2 parts of cornstarch and 1 part of water. Let's add color first in water so that it is easier to mix. Beautiful. As you can see, we have red colored water, and now we add our water into this cornstarch. The hands will get a little messy, but it's an amazing sort of feeling. Do you see this? It's liquidy, it's flowing. But when I apply this pressure, it turns into solid. You can literally take it in your hands and make it into a ball. But when I'm leaving it, it's flowing. Fantastic. When I'm applying a pressure, again, I can make it into a ball. No shear, no pressure, liquid. So it's a shear thickening material, shear thickening substance. I hope you like the experiment. Bye-bye.